going to introduce you to our new 3-inch round industrial downspout machine. This thing is actually 34 feet long. Actually runs off a 10-horse 3-phase motor and a hydraulic pump on this. It is hydraulic. Runs a 7-horse hydraulic motor. And this machine will actually run 18 to 24 gauge steel. And to get this thing, it does have computer control with its own operating table. We do have a batch setting, so you can run 5 different batches on the machine. And we will run a little piece here just so you can see the machine. You start your hydraulic pump and just start your machine, which we have preset for a foot. Hit the shear. And you end up with a 1-foot piece.
Give us a call to find out how we can meet your needs or visit our website to see our complete listings of various machines for your industry.
Liberty Seamless, making quality machines since 1998.